Another question I often get asked is what type of shade photos or shade taking do I need to do in the office that could get me the best result for the final restoration? Generally, you want to take good photos. You want to be aware of light glare during the photos when you're taking them. I like seeing the shade tab to the tooth I'm going to match. I like that to be incisal edge to incisal edge with about 1 millimeter space between the incisal edges of the teeth that we're trying to match. Try to keep that on the same plane. And again, when you're shooting the photo, you want to be aware of shadowing. The shadows often come from the upper lip a lot of times. Office light is fine. Again, no flash. I like to use my cell phone to take all the custom shade photos that I do. Used to use a Nikon. The new phones are great for that. Like I say, you just want to really be aware of light glare in the middle part of the tooth or the gingival part of the tooth. I like to get a close-up shot of that tooth to try and show as much of the internal characteristics of the tooth as we possibly can. And that should get me the closest shade and value to the tooth that we're trying to match.